Moonchild, moonchild, staring at the sky. Heaven only knows what you're dreaming of tonight. And the skyline, skyline is a fading light. But it seemed like the stars ain't never shine so bright. Staring at the sky. Heaven only knows what you're seeing in your mind. And the skyline, skyline is a fading light. But it seems like the stars ain't never looked so bright. But it seems like the stars ain't never shine so bright.
Hi, I'm Claire, and this is the Safety First Welcome Baby Nursery Collection. As many new parents know, it's easy to forget some of the small things you may need when caring for an infant. Luckily, this collection has it all in one convenient package. The Quick Trip diaper bag has 2 zippered see-through compartments for baby's accessories, along with an additional touch closure compartment where you can store a diaper and wipes. There's also a sturdy wipes container and a compact waterproof changing mat that unfolds to a full 24 by 11 inches. Whether you're at home or on the go, you want to be prepared if baby isn't feeling well. That's where the digital thermometer, nasal aspirator, bottle-shaped medicine dispenser, easy-fill medicine syringe, alcohol wipes, and emergency contact card definitely come in handy. The syringe, aspirator, and medicine dispenser are all made of BPA-free materials to protect the tiniest, most sensitive infant. Keeping baby well groomed will be a cinch with the Easy Grip brush and comb set, cradle cap comb, grippy nail clippers, and emery boards. A fingertip infant toothbrush is also included, as well as a soft toddler toothbrush for when your little one gets a bit bigger. Minus the diapers and wipes, this Safety First Welcome Baby Nursery Collection comes with all the essentials to help prepare for your newest arrival. Pick one up today.
Jenna and Dale are young parents, and they believe that they and their babies are on the same page. They are not. And sometimes this happens.
Oh, look at you, all not washed and cold.
We got this. We're just taking a break. Oh no.
Introducing the new Earmo Smart Thermometer, a doctor and a thermometer in one device. The Earmo Smart Thermometer can detect...
Got it.
Oh, it just did.
Oh, it can't be right.
Yep, it literally takes 1 second. And you can clearly see the temperature through Earmo's sleek LED display.
I got it.
By swiping your finger, you can see the previous temperatures.
That can't be right.
The data is instantly transferred onto your phone, where you can compare her current temperature with her past records. And if you're unsure about her symptoms, you can consult the app.
Babe, I think she has I can't pronounce it, but it seems serious.
And if you want an easy confirmation, simply send the data from the app to her family physician. With a quick confirmation from her doctor, Jenna is feeling pretty good about herself and about Earmo. And with Earmo, you can check your child's temperature anytime, anywhere.
Okay, yeah, it's happening again.
The Earmo Smart Thermometer won't turn you into an amazing parent overnight, but it might make your life just a little bit easier.
Daddy, I think you're sick.